Hello, greetings to you, beautiful souls. What I'm having on my hand here is veil net, 5 years of veil net. Alright, so let's see what we can use it to do. Alright, so I folded it from the width. I folded it into 2 equal half from the width. As you can see, from the width, I folded it 2 equal half. Alright, then the division is 50-50, so I'm going to place it on my hair this way. Placing it on my hair this way and making sure they are equal because the division is 50-50. Alright. Okay, so taking it to the back this way, I crossed it like this, then I started twisting it. So I'm going to twist it all around. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, the first thing you're hearing her voice is Demi Igele Empire. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, drop your like, drop your comments, share my videos. Above all, practice the same makes perfect. I want you to practice and send the video of it to me. Yes. Alright, you want to use this veil net now and tie turban head wrap. Alright, so I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. I'm going to twist everything. So bringing it up this way, I'll continue the twist. I'll continue twisting it. I'm going to twist everything. So please do well to focus your eyes on what I am doing. It's very watch what I am doing. Watch what I am doing. Continue the twist. Then pressing it here. I'll bring it out. Okay. Then I'll continue the twist. Continue twisting it. Focus your eyes on what I am doing. It's very easy, very simple. Pass it through here and bring it out. Then continue the twist. Continue twisting it. Continue twisting it until you exhaust everything. Then bring this one here. Okay. For this one that is right here now, just fix it inside this one and wrap it, then take it to the back and tuck it in. Tuck it in there. You can see what we have here now. So you can see what we have here now. Very beautiful turban head wrap. That is what the back looks like. This is what the side looks like. This is what the middle looks like. And this is what the side looks like. So if you don't want it to be in the middle this way, you can adjust it to the side a little bit. You can take it to the side this way. Shift it to the side. You can see how beautiful turban looks like. Bye. And here we go. So as I said before, the person you're hearing my voice is Baby Eagle Empire. Do well to subscribe to my channel. You have a lot to learn. See you. Goodbye in my next video. So you can decorate further using your hair accessories. Just place it anywhere that is comfortable and convenient for you. You are good to go. Or if you don't want the hair accessories, you can leave it. You can see it as giving the hair drop another positive vibe. That's why I love using hair accessories, so you can see what it looks like. Beautiful. Alright.